Dear viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. So we continue the last concept, that is the mole concepts. So from mole concept, how do we calculate volume, number of moles? All these topics we cover in our videos. So keep watching. So it will be very helpful in learning chemistry. Now, in this video, we are going to calculate the volume occupied by number of particles. So, if you are provided with number of particles, how do you calculate the volume? So, it's a conversion of number of particles to volume. So, let us go to the first sum, that is 3.0115 in 10 to the power of 23 of ammonia gas molecules. So calculate the volume, that is a question. Calculate the volume occupied by this many number of ammonia gas molecules. See, this sum we can find in your book, that page number 101, but the problem with the sum is they have worked out the sum, but the answer they have drawn is different. So I'm going to correct the sum, and for that answer I'm going to give you one more sum. So there are two sums involved for the same question. So I have separated like 2 and 2a. So based on the question, I'm going to derive the sum, and depending upon the answer, I'm going to derive one more sum. So that's why I've written two sums for this. So let us go to the sum directly. So concept here we use is same. That is very simple. Gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass equals 1 mole, which contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles, which occupies 22.4 liters at STP. Right. So from this, how do we calculate the volume we will see. Now relate this number of particles and these two we want to relate. So we know that 6.023 in 10 to the power 23 is 1 mole, which occupies this. So whatever the given data, if we convert into moles, converting into volume will be very simple. So what we are going to do is, we are going to convert this number of particles into moles. So what is the formula? Number of moles is equal to, if particle is given, the formula is given number of particles divided by Avogadro's number. Right. So tell me, what is the given number of particles? Given number of particles is this, 3.0115 in 10 to the power of 23 divided by Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So what we need to do is, we need to divide this. See, my dear children, if you know, when you come across such a numbers, see, it's very simple to divide. See, what is a half of this number? We will see half of this 6.023 will be 6.023 divided by 2. 3, 0, 1, 1, balance 1. If you take 0, it is 5 times. So this number now, am I right? So approximately this is 1 time, this is 2 times. So these two will get cancelled. So what is the answer we will get? The answer we will get is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 0.5 moles. Right? So now the conversion of this to this is simple. So tell me how to calculate the volume now. Very simple. The volume occupied by 3.0115 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia is equal to, so what is the formula? Number of moles into molar volume at STP. So 0.5 is the mole into molar volume is 22.4 liters. So if you divide it, otherwise we can write 1 by 2 into 22.4 liters, right? So the answer is 11.2 liters. So the volume occupied by this many number of ammonia is this. Now, so based on the answer given in your book, we can write the one more sum, that is 12.046 in 10 to the power of 23 particles of ammonia gas. So the very similar idea, when you are provided with the number of particles, so first we need to convert this number of molecules into moles. So number of moles, if number of particle is given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So what is the given number of particles? 12.046 in 10 to the power of 23 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So from our calculation we know that this 2 will cancel out. And what is the double times? If you double this number, what do you get it? 6023 into 2. 6, 4, 0, 12. Exactly this, right? So this is 1 time, this is 2 time. So the answer is 2. So the value will be 2 moles. Now from this, how do you calculate the volume? So the volume occupied by 12.046 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules is equal to number of moles into molar volume at STP. So what is the number of moles? 2 in 20, molar volume is 22.4 liters. So if you multiply this, 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 2 into 4. So it is 44.8 liters. So I hope this video will be very helpful in converting the number of particles into volume. If you like this video, subscribe, and like this video, share it. Thank you.